हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का अपने RAS केमिस्ट्री मस्ती चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज का टॉपिक हमारा क्लास 12 नीट के लिए और जेई के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो देखते हैं क्या टॉपिक है हमारा। यह चैनल हमारा CBSE बोर्ड के लिए है, तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो। तो देखते हैं क्या है। जनरल मेथड बाय प्रिपरेशन monohydric alcohol. General method by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay, these are following types. These are following types. Next heading, alkyl halide by preparation mono monohydric alcohol. Alkyl halide by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay. Then examples: chemical reaction. Alkyl halide are single bond X with reaction base NaOH sodium hydroxide. Preparation monohydric alcohol. Then sodium himself in present nation positive ions and halogen himself present nation negative ions. Then combinations reactions NaX plus ROH. ROH is called alcohol. NaX is called sodium halide. Sodium halide is called sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is alkyl halide. Okay, or R alkyl halide with reaction potassium hydroxide, then potassium himself positive and halogen himself in present nation negative. Then reaction KX is called ROH. Preparation compound ROH is called alcohol. Alcohol is called potassium halide. Potassium halide. Okay, it's called potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Just reaction note. Okay. Ethyl halide with reaction base. Okay, ethyl halide by then preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay, then ethyl halide C2H5 X X where place in present nation put fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay. Next reaction base KOH, K positive and KX. KX plus C2H5 OH is called ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is called potassium halide. Potassium halide is called potassium hydroxide. Hydroxide and alkyl halide. Okay. Next, ore. In use C2H5Cl is called chloroethane or another name ethyl chloride. With reaction potassium hydroxide KOH, then potassium positive sign and chlorine negative to directly preparation potassium chloride KCl and C2H5OH is called ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is called potassium chloride. Okay, it's called potassium hydroxide. Okay, just reaction note. Next, ether by preparation monohydric alcohol. Ether by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay. These are following types. These are following types. If my lecture add clear everyone point, then please like and subscribe more quantity. Okay. Ether or single bond or with reaction water. Water formula open conditions and positive and negatives. Okay, OH, positive and negatives. Then preparations or OH and ROH, or conditions ROH and ROH, or another steps to ROH is called alcohol, 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 alcohol. Only one and one to add conditions is called water, is called ether. Okay. Next, or in presence concentration H2SO4. Good. If in use CH3 single bond or CH3 is called dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. With reaction same quantity water HOH in presence same conditions concentration H2SO4. Okay. Next preparations compound CH3OH. CH3OH 2 quantity, then preparations methyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, and is called product water. Water general formula H2O. H2O open condition preparations. Okay. Ethyl ether by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay. Ethyl ether by preparation monohydric alcohol. Then C2H5 single bond C2H5 is called diethyl ether. Okay. With reaction water HOH in presence concentration H2SO4, then preparations C2H5 OH double quantity and two more quantity preparations ethyl alcohol. Okay. Next heading amine by preparation monohydric alcohol, okay. Amine by preparation monohydric alcohol. Then amine general formula R single bond NH2 plus HONO is called nitrous acid. Then a chemical reaction preparation compound ROH plus N2 plus H2 is called water, is called nitrogen gas, is called alcohol. Okay. Is called nitrous acid Nitrous acid is called ethylamine. Ethylamine. Amine. Next conditions note. Next methylamine. Methylamine. General formula CH3NH2. Okay. With reaction nitrous acid HNO2. Open conditions. Okay. Nitrous acid methylamine. Then preparations compound methyl alcohol CH3OH and N2 plus H2O. It's called methanol or methyl alcohol. Another names. It's called nitrogen gas. It's called water. Okay. Or ethylamine. C2H5 NH2 with reaction nitrous acid. HNO. Then preparation C2H5OH plus N2 plus H2 is called ethyl alcohol. And is called nitrogen gas. Is called water. Okay. Is called nitrous acid. Is called ethylamine. Reactions note. Okay. By preparation monohydric alcohol. Ester by preparation monohydric alcohol. Okay. Then ester formula generals are COOR. If carbonic compound in present nation COOH group, then it's called ester. Okay. With reaction base KOH. Then this is conditions preparations negative and positive. ROH is called alcohol. Okay. Then RCOOK is called potassium acetate. And alcohol. Okay. It's called potassium hydroxide. Okay. Next or another conditions CH3COO2H5 with reaction sodium hydroxide in use place potassium hydroxide NaOH. Then negative positive, negative 2 directly add C2H5OH, C2H5OH, C2H5OH is called ethyl alcohol, and another compound CH3COONA. CH3COONA is called sodium acetate. It's called sodium acetate. Acetate is called sodium hydroxide. It's called ethyl ester. Ethyl ester. Okay. यदि मेरा लेक्चर अच्छा लग रहा है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और भाई इस लेक्चर को वहां तक पहुंचा दो, हर गरीब घर के बच्चे तक पहुंचा दो जो महंगी फीस दे करके नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हैं, वो आराम से पढ़ लें भाई। ठीक है, इस चैनल पर CBSE बोर्ड पढ़ाया जाएगा ओनली। और दूसरा एक मेरा चैनल और है RSL केमिस्ट्री मस्ती चैनल्स, उस पर मेरे भाई हिंदी मीडियम पढ़ाया जाएगा। तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। इसके बाद मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स में मेरे भाई, ठीक है।